How to verify iCloud account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can verify iCloud account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to verify your iCloud account on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the settings application here. Now, normally if it asks you to verify, you might always get a pop-up right underneath your name that asks you to verify your email or phone, whatever else Apple is asking you to do. If you don't find it, then you can also just tap your Apple ID profile from here, and then there you'll find the option called sign in and security. So when you go to sign in and security, you'll be able to see the option called two-factor authentication, and when you tap on two-factor authentication, you'll be able to enter the phone or the email to verify your account. This way you can verify your iCloud account on phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.